Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel Z-Tech. I am Barry Allen and I will show you how you can get your Mercury Bank account, a US bank account which is very famous in market and it has a huge demand. So in this video I am gonna show you. So first of all I am gonna show you the bank account, how it works and what are the benefits of this bank. So let's get started. Let's go to the screen of my phone and let me show you the account after. Now here I am gonna explain why this account is so famous, so demanded and so strong. Here are some reasons. The first reason is that we can use this account in any country, like we are living in India, Pakistan or any country in Asia. We can use this account in any country. Okay, so the second reason behind the strongness of this account is that we can create strongest virtual credit cards from this account and which can be used on any site available on this internet right now. So we can try that cards on any site, they will work without any issue. So that's the reason behind the success of this Mercury Bank, which is very famous. Here you can see I have got a virtual credit card which I can use. Here is my balance. Here is only $1 in it. This is business Mercury Bank account. Now if you are willing to create a Mercury Bank account like this, then you need a LLC. You can create easily a Mercury Bank account. Just put your details after downloading the app of Mercury Bank and you can just create it. And if you want to create a personal account, then you have to get some US documents from any person and you can just create it. If you don't have any of those, then you can just contact me. I will sell you accounts of Mercury Bank. They can be personal or they can be business accounts. So just contact me on my Instagram, which is given in the start of the video.